Google Gemini Image to Code tutorial. Hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you will be able to generate a code by using the image feature or the upload image feature of Gemini. So I'm going to be showing you one of the examples on how you will be able to do this. For example, we have here YouTube. So I'm going to screenshot YouTube over here, and we're going to ask Gemini over here to produce us the HTML or the code for this one. So let's say produce an HTML and CSS code to replicate the layout and UI of YouTube and using the photo I have provided. Now, this is just one of the examples on how you will be able to do this. You could also upload photos of problems that is related to programming. So for example, you have a photo that you have taken a picture of that is a programming problem. And so you could easily upload that and use that as the photo that you will be uploading that you could ask Gemini to produce for you. But as you can see here, Gemini has produced us a code over here and even sources to make sure that your output are actually accurate and going to work. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.